Thanks for joining me for solving systems of equations when you need to multiply one or both of the equations to solve the system to use the elimination method. I'm going to take a look at this first problem when I need to multiply one of my equations. My goal is to make each equation have a common term. It could either be a common term or an opposite of a common term. When I look at this problem, I see that I can multiply my first equation by 5 to get a common term of 10x with the second equation. I'm going to rewrite my new equation down here. I get 10x plus 25y equals negative 110. I then, since I have common terms, can use the subtraction method of elimination to solve. 10x minus 10x equals 0x. I've eliminated the x. 3y minus 25y is negative 22y. And 22 minus negative 110 equals 132. When I divide both sides by negative 22, I find out that y equals negative 6. I will then plug negative 6 into one of my equations to find out my x value. So I will go back to my original equation and do 2x minus 30, because 5 times negative 6 is negative 30, equals negative 22. I then add 30 to both sides and find out that 2x equals 8 and that x equals 4. Therefore, the solution to my system is 4, negative 6. Of course, any great mathematician would plug that in, check their work in the second equation to verify that that is correct. I have already done that, and therefore I am letting you know that it is a correct solution. Let's move on to when we need to multiply both equations. And looking at this, I'm going to choose to look at the y term to make equal. I will multiply the first equation by 3 to get 6y and the second by 2. My new equations are then 12x plus 6y is equal to 42 and 14x minus 6y is equal to negative 16. Since I have opposite common terms, I will use the addition method. 26x is equal to 26. I find out that x equals 1. That was a great, easy problem. I'm now going to plug that into my first one. So 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2y equals 14. When I subtract 4 from both sides, I find out that 2y equals 10, and y is equal to 5. Therefore, the solution to my system is 1, 5. Again, to be a great mathematician, you should go back and check your solution in the second equation to be sure that that is true. Have a great day.